just few hours away from the upcoming interim budget that will be presented on 1st February 2024. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will be presenting the budget 6th time. Let us take a look at some key income tax expectations around the personal tax. So first of all, we can expect an increase in the basic exemption limit. While the government did bring some changes in budget 2023, but it is expected that there could likely raise the basic exemption limit by at least 50,000 under both tax regimes. This will reduce the tax liability across the taxpayers. Secondly, we can expect parity in deduction allowed for contribution to National Pension Scheme. Currently, an employee is allowed deduction of the whole of the contribution made into a pension scheme to an extent that it does not exceed. For example, 14% of salary where such contribution is made by central or state government employees, whereas 10% of salary in case of other employees. Third, we can expect an increase in standard deduction. So under the current income tax provision, a standard deduction of Rs 50,000 is allowed to a salaried taxpayer under both the regimes, old and simplified. With the increase in the cost of living, it is expected that the government should consider increasing standard deduction for salaried employees from 50,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees. Fifth expectation would be simplifying the TDS compliance for the home buyers where the seller is an NRI. According to the current provision, 1% of the purchase value needs to be deposited as TDS in case of resident home seller with the government, where the property is valued Rs 50 lakhs or more. The requirements to deposit tax are more complex if the seller is NRI. It is suggested to introduce a simplified TDS process that is familiar to that of the resident seller. Thank you so much for watching India.com and do follow our channel for more such updates.